When it comes to choosing a home, it's not just about location or price. What truly matters is trust. And trust is built when planning becomes visible on the ground. NVG Rakshak is being developed with that very approach, focusing on strong foundations, structured execution, and long-term stability. On-site construction is actively progressing, with work moving in a disciplined flow, structures taking shape, and each phase following a defined process. This is not rushed development. It's precise, controlled, and built with intent. Because a home is not just for today, it's the base of your future security. And that's why every detail is carefully planned to ensure long-term durability and reliability. In today's world, people don't just trust promises, they trust visible progress. And at NVG Rakshak, that progress is clearly seen. If you're looking for a project where you can invest with confidence, this is something worth considering. NVG Rakshak, where planning, progress, and trust come together.